Hello, my name is Michael Meyers, and I'm the Clinical Support Manager with Contec Healthcare. We just wanted to give you a quick update on the status of USP Chapter 825, which deals with radiopharmaceuticals, their preparation, compounding, dispensing, and repackaging. Let's go through a brief timeline on what's happened. On June 1st of 2019, USP 825 was published with the intent to become official on December 1st, 2020. But the BUD and compounding from sterile substance requirements were appealed, and Chapter 825 was postponed. On September 13th of 2019, the USP Appeals Panel denied that appeal. So based on that final decision of the Appeals Panel, on May 29th of 2020, the expert committee decided to lift the postponement and establish a new official date of December 1st, 2020. So on that date, December 1st, 2020, USP 825 will become official, but not compendibly applicable. So what does compendibly applicable mean? A general chapter numbered below 1,000 becomes compendibly applicable and thus is considered a required standard only when the chapter is referenced in a monograph, the chapter is referenced in another general chapter below 1,000, or the chapter is referenced in the general notices. General Chapter 825 is informational and not compendibly applicable because it's not referenced in the general notices, a monograph, or another applicable general chapter numbered below 1,000. Please stay tuned to Contec Healthcare for any updates from USP that may affect compounding pharmacies. Thank you.